What is up? It's been a minute, haven't posted, but I am back. Today we're gonna install a 8-inch subwoofer. It's gonna be a kicker, of course, size 8. We're pretty much getting the wire, running the wire. We're gonna run through the side right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some shrink tape on it because I'm gonna go ahead and connect these in here. Now this box is just temporary. All right, I just finished. Yeah, the wire could have been better. You know, haters gonna hate, but I mean, I try making it look as clean as possible. He's still going again. He's gonna buy a better box. When he comes next time and fixes the box, I'm gonna go ahead and ground it off better.